Welcome to InudstryMall Germany, your global partner for industrial supplies and automation technology. In today's manufacturing world, efficiency and automation are key to remaining competitive and future-proof. Our expertise lies in helping companies like yours to improve their production processes with high-quality automation components and at the same time to dispose of unneeded stock at a profit. With an extensive network and many years of experience, we offer attractive conditions for the purchase of used automation parts and machines. Thanks to our efficient logistics team and well-organized warehouse, we are able to provide you with high-quality components quickly and reliably. In addition to trading in automation parts, we also offer repair and maintenance services to extend the service life of your machines and avoid unplanned downtimes. By working in partnership, we ensure an efficient, smooth process and tailor-made solutions. InudstryMall, your global partner for industrial supplies and automation technology.